p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles northeast of Indian Land, or near the Arboretum, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include South Charlotte, Matthews, Indian Trail, Weddington, Stallings, Pineville, Wesley Chapel, Waxhaw, Mineral Springs, and Marvin. Brief damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Mecklenburg, and Union. The National Weather Service